Mall starting July 16th. The same day, 50 years earlier, he, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins launched for the moon.
Liftoff.
Conservators are still preparing for a new moon gallery to open in 2022.
The 50th anniversary is an exciting time.
Spacesuit curator Kathleen Lewis showed spots on Armstrong's gloves pitted by actual lunar dust. She hopes this small display will be a poignant reminder of what we accomplished, so new generations can aspire to the stars.
I'm hoping they will wonder what happens next.
In Dulles, Pete Muntean, WUSA 9.
Let me pull back the curtain just a little bit. Every day, the team meets to discuss what stories will make the show that night. And, well, one thing led to another, and Adam Longo ended up in a wetsuit reporting on submarine races at the Naval Surface Welfare Center. Let's just let him take the story from here.
The contestants have gotten a whole lot smarter.
It's not just your backyard pool, right? Welcome to the Naval Surface Warfare Center, Carter Rock Division.
Bring their underwater human-powered vehicles here to David Taylor Model Basin.
Beat the hell out of ISR!
They have to get to a world-class facility like this and spend the week competing against their peers.
The best ocean engineering students from around the world racing human-powered submarines in Bethesda at one of the country's most secretive naval facilities.
This is actually made of fiberglass.
Daniel Turner from Texas A&M University is one of them.
Everything that we have in here is designed and built by our students.
That innovation and teamwork is exactly what the Navy's looking for.
So these are the young people who are our future.
Making sure we're planting seeds in the way of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
To inspire, to educate, to engage, to attract and employ, and develop and retain.
Gotta go where the story is. Today the story is in the water. We're gonna check out what the competitors are doing, getting ready to do their sub runs.
We had a decent looking second run, but then some complications with our buoyancy.
21 teams wrap up the 15th annual competition today. Adam Longo, WUSA 9.
Pretty amazing there. Hey, we've got some storm damage to show you tonight from Prince George's County, the Suitland, Temple Hill neighborhood. Trees down in a very small area, widespread trees and power lines down. And what was it? Something called a microburst. So we're going to start off in your weather tonight, geeking out a little bit, talking a little bit more about what a microburst is, how it happens. What I'm showing you behind me, this is a look at velocity mode of radar. So we're looking at where winds are going this direction versus this direction. We use this to spot tornadoes, but we can also use it to spot microbursts. So what I want to point out, we're looking right here at Silver Hill. The radar is south of the radar, area right there. And I've drawn some arrows on the map. This green blob right here means the winds are going this way towards the bottom of the screen. This red blob right there means the winds are going that way. This is a divergent pattern, not a collision, but a divergent pattern. That is a microburst. That's a signature on radar we look at as meteorologists to figure out where a microburst happens. So what actually is a microburst? Take a look at this storm cloud. A microburst is a very small column of air that rushes down from a thunderstorm. It rushes out, and it is a localized area of downward wind, only about 2 miles in diameter, but those winds can be 70, 80, 90 miles per hour, as much as a tornado, and cause similar damage to a tornado, not in the same pattern, but certainly a lot of damage there in Prince George's County. That's what we saw today. Tomorrow, another round of storms. Look at your weekend forecast. It is hot and humid. Heat wave day number 5 tomorrow. Hot with some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. I'm keeping temps in the 90s again for Sunday, but what's different about Sunday is that the humidity levels drop and the storm chances drop as well. So it'll make Sunday the more bearable of the 2 weekend days. Storm Prediction Center tomorrow putting us in a slight risk of severe weather. Just like today, I think damaging winds the primary threat. Could see some small hail. Here's the Futurecast timing things out. We'll start tomorrow morning. Muggy. Patchy fog. It's warming very quickly tomorrow with some sunshine at lunchtime, but temps already pushing near 90 degrees. I've got in the afternoon some widely scattered storms popping up between 2 p.m. and 9. Just like today, not everybody gets a storm, but any storm that pops up could potentially be strong or severe. So tomorrow's going to be hot. High temp 94. Those afternoon and evening showers and storms. Remember, take care of yourself. Limit your time in the sun. We have a code orange air quality alert tomorrow afternoon. Not safe to do a lot of exercise outside. The feels like temp will be around 90.